There you go. Ooh, cute.
I am cute.
I was talking about myself.
Oh, well, I was also talking about myself, so.
Oh, that works.
Yeah, parfait. Convinced yet that I can actually cook.
Okay, madame.
We don't see on Saturday. We gonna see.
Okay. Bonjour. Aujourd'hui...
You can't be making noise,
girl. Bonjour tout le monde, it's your girl Atavia and welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue à ma chaîne. Today, guess what we're doing? We're gonna be cooking in French. I'm not alone today. I have my friend, Miss...
That bitch.
Miss Roella. Dis en français.
My name?
Introduce yourself. Cuisiner extraordinaire.
Oui, mais
photographe.
Prononce pas comme ça, juste raw, parce que le français et française ne parlent pas correctement.
Tu penses ça? You don't like how they say it? Raw.
That's not how it's pronounced.
Raw.
There's an R there.
On va faire cuisiner en français. En fait, il y a une recette qui est française, non, qui est en français. Et on va cuisiner toujours tout en français. We're already messing up. So today's video is going to be fully in French. The recipe is fully in French. We're going to speak as much français as we can and read this recipe in French and hopefully come out with something that's supposed to look like that. You see that right there? Is it gonna look like that at the end? That is the question. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Allez! Allez! On y va!
That's in my titties. You gotta cut that part out. Première chose, c'est quoi?
C'est
pâte feuilletée. Allumer le four à 200 degrés Celsius et éplucher la courge butternut.
I don't know what.
I think they want us to shave it. I'm using my knowledge of cooking to do this. Right?
Oh, d'accord. Et des procédés avec des économies, mais attention à votre doigt, c'est dur.
Oui,
bien sûr, of course.
Oui.
C'est difficile en fait.
Oui, c'est difficile, mais
c'est trop
difficile. Okay, so do you want to shave the butternut and I will?
I don't want to shave the butternut. Vous êtes la chef, vous êtes la cuisinière.
So, donc,
Bon, évidemment.
En fait, on va couper en petits morceaux et après on éplucher.
Oui.
Mais le petit
éplucher
morceau.
quoi?
Le petit morceau.
Non.
C'est trop facile comme ça parce que
si tu dis. D'accord.
Oui, parce que le grand butternut comme ça c'est.
Oui, c'est dur.
Oui, c'est dur.
D'accord.
Donc moi je coupe et toi tu épluches.
D'accord, j'épluche.
Oui.
Voilà.
C'est you know.
What is this called?
Cutting board. Board découpé.
Board découpé.
No, that's not true. No,
board découpé.
I try.
We know French, y'all.
I'm a chef, that's why.
Voilà, d'accord.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Not with that knife though. Girl.
Ça va.
Ah, ça va pas. D'accord, c'est quoi la prochaine item?
Ah, bah, détailler en petits cubes. So I already basically did that. The trick is to press on your hand when you have the knife.
Oh, I'm getting a cooking lesson too. I love it.
Oui, le deux. C'est moi.
Le quoi?
Le deux.
C'est quoi? C'est quoi ça? Le deux?
Le deux.
Both?
Both. Le deux. Pendant ce temps, faites cuire l'oignon dans l'huile. She ain't read the recipe, huh?
I feel very attacked!
The recipe, it calls for châtain. This is a châtain.
A chestnut.
Mais, it's still in the nuts.
Hey, no, les hommes who are outside of the metro, they have whole chestnuts.
Yeah, that's his job though.
Do you have to
He
open
cracks
them?
Ah bah yeah.
Les peaux et les poêles.
Non, le truc pour ça.
Ton sang? C'est donc le...
Donc, c'est chaud.
Ah, c'est pas grave. Ça va. Ne touche pas.
Hey.
Ne touche pas. Tu dis bah toujours.
Oui, parce que j'habite avec le français et française. Avec le temps. You have time?
Non.
You have time?
Non. J'achète pas de thing. Girl, I literally doused
What is the purple thing? Tell me.
Ça? Italian.
Ok, juste un peu.
Juste un peu, d'accord. Ça c'est mélange italienne. La prochaine, tu l'as perçue?
Un peu.
Un peu ou tout ça? C'est un peu?
Un peu.
ton temps maintenant. Alors, elle.
On peut. On peut.
Attitude, okay. Un peu. Oh, she's aggressive though.
Smells beautiful, huh?
It does.
Amazing.
Now this is gonna cook for an hour.
So basically, I'm gonna be starting a cooking channel because this is not something that I don't do often. In fact, I do it so often that we are gonna be doing dinners like once a week, and I make really interesting recipes, I'd say. I'm gonna be doing a cooking channel, so you guys can
help us choose
yeah,
a name.
Exactly.
Just comment down below like what
because honestly it's not even something super serious. It's something really fun.
It smells so good. It does.
It smells amazing. Like it's not cooked or anything. We just seasoned it, and actually Atavia seasoned it. So they can't care for that.
I'm a chef. So we want. Go ahead. Put it in the oven. And it's off though. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below if you want to see Ro on my channel again. She is lovely and graceful and great. And also make sure to comment down below, what should she name her blog? Yeah, very important. Very importante. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, because you'll see more great friends in my videos like this. So subscribe now to stay tuned. I'm not a chef. You don't want to cry? I make videos. This is what I do. Guys, you should also tell me if you want Atavia to be the one to make all my videos. For free. I stopped reading the recipe and now I'm just doing my own thing. Je vais couper le champignon de Paris en petites lamelles, la miel. In little slices. So that's what I'm doing. Nope, just all that. I like how this video has just turned into Ro cooking in English. Alors, ça c'est le champignon et l'oignon et l'ail. Sounds so bizarre. L'ail. On attend le butternut, whatever. Butternut. Ooh, ça sent bien. Et c'est fini, hein? C'est fini! Déjà? Oui. Oh, d'accord. À vous de voir où les capacités de votre mixeur vu minoreront. Quoi? Quoi? Comment? Mixez le tofu fumé et la moitié de la butternut cuite avec le persil. Je mixe un peu grossièrement. C'est quoi? Le butternut? Le butternut. That's good, eating, That's good. It's gonna be like food stuff. That did nothing. We're just gonna let me. Okay. It's supposed to be mashed. Hold on. We're professionals. Dans une saladier, mélangez le tofu mixé, la butternut rôtie restante. So there was to be leftover butternut. Je craquais le. Maybe it's not what you think it is. I don't know. Z. C'est still en français. C'est encore en français. Okay. You're right. It's too late. This is in the mixture. There's no going back now. At the very end, add the spinach that you roughly chopped.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. When you're
Guys, this is not what my talent is like. I'm really a good cook.
This is my recipe. This has nothing to do with Rose. She was just my helper. We've mixed the. Oh my gosh, that's huge. That's not gonna fit. That's gonna
make it fit though.
This is the champignon, le tofu. L'épinard. Gardez à notre Wellington.
Beaucoup d'épinards.
Beaucoup d'épinards parce que je ne coupe pas les épinards. Oui. Wrap that bad boy.
Tuck him nicely into bed.
Gender neutral, how about that?
He's happy.
I cannot be serious with her around. This is ridiculous.
When I woke up this morning, I was like, girl, you look good. But now, I'm like, girl, how am I not wifed yet? Number down below.
I would never let you do that.
2 hours later.
This is our Wellington. He got a little crispy, that's okay. But he's still beautiful. Don't get too close. Danger.
Excuse me, bitch.
It's hot. She's lying. She's a chef. She's okay. Yeah. Wow. Look at all our hard work, you guys.
Look at that steam.
Oh, that's hot.
Et voila. Why
Wow.
would you say that?
Let's be beefy.
I don't want to eat some, but I shouldn't. So
This is what all of our hard work has come up to. This is the moment of truth. C'est le moment. I forgot this video is even supposed to be in French.
Muy bien.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to leave a comment down below if you did, and also make sure to comment down below to see more videos with Rose. She is lovely. And do you guys appreciate our beautiful baby tart?
yeah,
Isn't he gorgeous?
Vagina Junior.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And until next time, bye y'all.
Bye.